Good day guys! Dahil nandito na nga kami sa Pilipinas, aba syempre, kailangan makapag-celebrate din kami ng post-anniversary date namin. Kaya ito ang part 1 guys. Enjoy watching! Hi guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa SM Santa Mesa actually. So first date namin, post-anniversary namin is manonood kami ng sine. We're gonna have a private dinner in Gordon Ramsay later. So for now, kaya kami nandito sa SM Santa Mesa because manonood kami ng Superman, which is Habi's favorite. Ayan. So, Director's Club. So, maganda daw dito. Kaya, let's try. At, nandito lang kami sa Modern Shang to have our simple snacks. Mabilisan lang yun, guys. So, we're gonna have dim sum, tofu, and that's it. So, just watch it. Ayan. Iba din. Timsu. Snack ako eh, harap. Nice lang. Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa Director's Club. We're gonna watch a Superman. Dahil sa favorite niya ni Habi yan. So, bibili lang kami ng snacks. Tara! Popcorn! Ayan na guys! Director's Club. Naku, Superman pala eh. Sige na lang. Inner child. Let's go! Oh my god, it's dark. Malamig.
That haircut should be against your vows. That what?
Done. Very good. Ayan na guys, so punta na kami sa Gordon Ramsay. Next. Good job, Superman.